Hi guys, my name is Quinn and today I'm gonna show you 6 of my essential makeup products. I always take these products to go because they fit in the smallest makeup bag and I can do any makeup I want. I usually skip foundation and go straight to concealer because it covers my darkness, especially my dark circles. Okay, my pro tip is to focus the concealer on these areas to brighten up the whole face. Then I go on to brows because these need some real work. My ride or die product is this NYX Lift and Snatch because it's a felt tip liner and I can draw every brow stroke. Alright, these are finished, perfect, and we're gonna go on my favorite part, which is blush. Instead of normal blush, I usually go for a lipstick or lip oil, but I have been loving this liquid blush by Maybelline. What I love about lip oils is that not only they give you that color, but also the glow, which I love. I always apply a little bit of blush on my nose as well. And it also doubles as an eyeshadow, and look at that glow. I don't believe in blush blindness, so I'm gonna use the other one as well. Alright, and in my opinion, the most versatile product in my bag is a black eyeliner. I usually go for a gel eyeliner like this, and if you have a lighter complexion, I would suggest use brown. On day-to-day basis, I usually tightline my eyeline, but when I'm feeling funky or I have a date night, I go for a cat eye or graphic liner. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, they look fantastic, so let's go to the next step. Of course, we're gonna finish the eyes with mascara, and this is one of my favorites. And the finishing step is the lip oil, which I already used on my cheeks, so let's do it. Alright, and we're finished. See how much fun you can have with only 6 products? And they all fit in this small bag, so why don't you try it?